Hello and welcome to Quick Charge by Electrek, keeping you in the fast track with daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. I'm Mikey G, and it's Thursday, November 18th. Tesla has released a new update to its mobile app, adding a new customization feature, better widgets, and more. Tesla is looking to onboard more people through the app and having it the center of the supercharger experience for non-Tesla EV owners. You can now customize quick controls on the vehicle homepage with a long press, adjust the cabin overheat protection with the Sentry Mode live camera access on supported cars in selected countries, and the most significant update is the ability to customize your quick controls. The new features and ease of use will help the transition for new charger users who don't already have a Tesla and are new to the app. U.S. President Joe Biden was at the inauguration of GM's Factory Zero. It's the company's first electric vehicle factory, and Joe Biden gave a speech in which he gave credit to CEO Mary Barra. He said, quote,
Mary, I can remember talking to you way back in January about the need for America to lead in electric vehicles. And I can remember your dramatic announcement that by 2035, GM would be 100% electric. You changed the whole story, Mary, wherever you are. There you are. You did, Mary. You electrified the entire automobile industry. I'm serious. You led, and it matters. And drastically improving the climate by reducing hundreds of millions of barrels of oil that will not be used when we're all electric. You know, up until now, China's been leading in this race, but that's about to change.
Now, regular visitors to Electrek and listeners of Quick Charge will know that giving credit to General Motors is poppycock. There is only one company that deserves credit for risking it all to become the largest EV maker on the planet, challenging the entire auto industry to create the very first mass-produced electric car in America or in the world. Only one company will go down in history as the David versus Goliath story and the wild exploits of one man changing history with his drastic leaps in EV design. Of course, I'm talking about Bob Beaumont with the City Car and the Tropica EV. Wait, what did you think I was talking about? Electrek takes a stroll to the LA Auto Show, and we notice something interesting. General Motors has no EVs and no hybrids and only gas cars at their booth. They did bring a tall charging station, but it was actually just a phone charger for the convenience of walking visitors. In reality, the booth itself was a bit barren in terms of visitors. Of course, the COVID-19 pandemic had at least a little bit to do with that. In October of 2017, General Motors announced that it would release 20 new EVs by the year 2023. As of right now, the Bolt EV and EUV have halted production, and General Motors is officially selling 0 EVs as of right now. With the upcoming Cadillac Lyriq EV, the GMC Hummer EV, and the Bolt EUV, if you count that, General Motors officially has 3 EVs on the table. If General Motors sticks to their timeline, then Electrek will constantly be posting articles about the 17 new vehicles next year. So, stay tuned. Vietnamese automaker Vinfast debuted at the LA Auto Show as a global brand with 2 upcoming SUVs and announced the LA Ariya as their new U.S. headquarters. The upcoming crossover and SUV are the VF E36 and VF E35. The new headquarters is over 15,000 square feet and has room to expand. Vinfast says that it plans to hire more than 400 employees at the headquarters and a regional office in LA in the coming years. Vinfast is also planning a U.S. EV manufacturing facility for 2024. Sources at the company told us that during the event, the location of the facility was still being determined, and they couldn't comment on whether 2024 meant breaking ground or actually starting production. But either way, truly Vinfast hopes to go fast. At the LA Auto Show, Kia and Hyundai, who partner on electric vehicles, have both released new concept vehicles that preview the upcoming electric SUVs. With their eGMP platform, a full-sized Ioniq SUV would benefit from an 800-volt system, enabling 350 kilowatt fast charging and bidirectional charging. Hyundai noted that the platform could support a range of up to 350 miles in a bigger form factor. The concept looks like a mix of the Rivian R1S SUV and the Kia Soul. It's not clear when the production version of these vehicles could hit the market, but the 2 automakers broke off from following Toyota some time ago and now have made some competent EVs. Fisker Incorporated turned a new page in history with the official debut of their flagship EV, the Ocean SUV. The Ocean will come in 3 separate trims and 3 different prices. This includes the Standard Sport, the Ultra, and the Extreme. The Standard will be front-wheel drive, lithium iron phosphate chemistry, and a range of 250 miles, 0 to 60 in 6.9 seconds. The Ultra and the Extreme versions will both have all-wheel drive and nickel cobalt manganese chemistry. The Ultra will have 340 miles of range and a 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds. The Extreme will do over 350 miles and 0 to 60 in 3.6 seconds. Sticking to the ocean and sustainability theme, the interior features carpet made from recycled plastic bottles, fishing nets, and t-shirts. The entry-level sport model has an MSRP of $37,499. Today's community comment comes from Larry Davidson, who says he fears the upcoming Nissan Ariya will be lost in the crowd of crossovers at the $45,000 mark. I'm inclined to agree. The Ariya will be coming out a year from now, and as far as I know, no special features will justify the higher cost compared to the Mustang Mach-E and the Volkswagen ID.4. We're not exactly sure what the Hyundai and Kia will cost, but we're pretty sure it's around $45,000, maybe a bit more. They do include a high-voltage architecture for fast charging and bidirectional charging, so that's kind of neat. Also, Carlos Sandoval asks if Tesla has a competitor to the Ariya, and I say no, not at all. I don't think the Ariya genuinely competes with any Tesla vehicle. The nearest form factor is the Tesla Model Y, which is currently selling out at $58,000. On top of that, the Model Y is years ahead in terms of technology. At this point, if you don't have a vastly different EV, you can't compete with Tesla. I wonder if the Ariya will only sell after the Volkswagen, Mustang, Hyundai, and Kia sell out first. Thanks for watching Quick Charge by Electrek. We also have an audio version on your favorite podcast player. I'm Mikey G, and I hope you have a great day.